For more than 100 years, vehicles have played a significant role in society as they are our main source of transportation. Unfortunately, they are one of the major causes towards pollution in our environment. We must take steps towards protecting our environment as it is our home, starting with meeting environmentally friendly emission standards. In order to protect our planet, we look towards ways to reduce emissions of toxic gases, such as carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, and other certain air pollutants. There are several emission standards that vehicle manufacturers must meet, including keeping vehicle pollution prevention devices in proper working order. All light duty vehicles must meet the average nitrous oxide standard of 0.07 grams per mile. All emission control systems that are installed in vehicles must not release a substance that causes air pollution, and no vehicle or engine shall be equipped with a defeat device except an ambulance, police vehicle, or firefighting vehicle. It is important for vehicles to meet environmentally friendly emission standards as they contribute to more than half the air pollutants that are emitted into the air, which we are trying to reduce. More than 150 million people live in the areas that don't meet federal air quality standards due to the pollution that comes from cars. If vehicle manufacturers continue to meet emission standards and make cars more environmentally friendly, it is very possible to reduce transportation related air pollution and climate change emissions. It is also important for vehicles to meet emission standards as there will be more positive effects on humans and the environment in the long term. If we don't meet environmentally friendly emission standards, it is possible for cars to produce even more toxic air pollutants, which can be very damaging towards the environment and people's health. There are several different gases that air pollutants are made from. The first being particulate matter, which pose the most serious threat towards human health as they can penetrate deep into the lungs. The second gas is hydrocarbons, which can irritate the respiratory system and cause choking, coughing, and reduce lung capacity. The third gas is nitrogen oxides, which can cause lung irritation. Fourthly, there is carbon dioxide, which can block oxygen from the brain, heart, and other vital organs. Last but not least, there are several greenhouse gases that vehicles emit that contribute to global climate change. As mentioned before, there are several different gases that cause health risks towards humans. The emissions of vehicles continue to add up, resulting in more dangerous negative effects towards humans and the environment. The health risks of air pollution is quite serious as it heightens the risk of life-threatening conditions such as cancer. Air pollutants are also dangerous towards the environment as it can cause changing interactions between the atmosphere, oceans, and the sun, weather effects, and effects on the plants and the ocean biosphere, which all can result in negative outcomes against humans. If cars do not continue to meet environmentally friendly emission standards, then this may cause several problems down the road. Long-term exposure to air pollution may result in chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, heart disease, and may even cause damage to your brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide also have negative effects in the long term, as carbon dioxide traps the sun's heat and keeps our planet warm, which leads to increasing the overall temperature of the Earth. It is important for us to continue to meet environmentally friendly emission standards and even improve them for the future. One way manufacturers can make cars more eco-friendly is by reducing the weight of cars, as they can use more gas when they're heavier by making them smaller in size. Manufacturers can also make fuel-efficient vehicles that use less oil. We can also begin to use cleaner fuels in our cars that produce fewer emissions. Future emissions reductions are essential for meeting air quality standards and protecting human health. Here's a clip on one thing that we can do to improve the environment and reduce emission standards. There are several eco-friendly cars that we can buy that not only are better for the environment, but also reduce gas consumption. One eco-friendly car is a Honda Civic Hybrid. This car is only 3,000 pounds in weight and it puts out a reduced amount of air pollution. Another eco-friendly car is the Toyota Prius C, which only weighs 2,750 pounds and is very fuel efficient. A third eco-friendly car is the Toyota Camry Hybrid, which has an electric edge that provides better efficiency than its gas-only counterpart. All in all, if we continue to meet environmentally friendly emission standards and begin to drive more eco-friendly cars or take other environmentally friendly means of transportation, then we will be able to reduce air pollution and improve the planet.